Hello everyone. So we are finally on the end of the part one. So part one also only consists of the 5 days. So on the fifth day, today we are going to finally learn about the indestructible model. So yeah, let's begin for it. So performance has everything to do with our thoughts and in our heads. Okay, performance is based on the thoughts. Okay, and willpower also acts like an emotion. Mindsets matters more than physical dependence because when you put your labels to yourself in your mind, you just decrease your potential and your quality of your life. Okay, changing your mindset about temperament is the key to become indestructible. You have heard that phrase that you are what you think. Okay, so this is the main motto here also. We are powerless if we think we are. Okay, so what we think becomes what we are, and the power is to change is within us. We don't have to always have labels around us. So this is also study done here also that people who are more self-compassionate towards her or himself, they are more likely to have decreased stress and tend to be more happier. So you just have to try to practice this by telling this is what is it is like to get better at something. You are going on the right path and you are just having good quality of experiences and having greater results. This is how you give positive feedbacks to your mindset, which helps you being a good self sense of well-being. Okay? So we are going to learn here about the indestructible model. Okay, so see example. Think here is a point. Okay, so when you go right, you give you have positive reaction, and when you go left side, you have negative. So on the right side, you have traction. Just don't just look at the bold letters. Okay, and on the left side, there's distraction. Okay, the point here is the action you do, the action which internal triggers lead to action, and external triggers also lead to some actions. So these are internal trigger who lead. Internal triggers are negativity, boredom, and all that stuff, and externals are mobiles and external environmental things. You can turn your things into traction or distractions also. Okay, so this is how indestructible model works on the brief basis. So let's see what our today's mission is. Okay, so do you harbor any self-defeating beliefs about your abilities? Write down any labels you attach to yourself. How do you respond to a good friend who has experienced a setback? Write down what you would say to them if they fail to do something you tend to get distracted doing. How does your response to yourself at a moment of setback or failure make you feel about yourself? Are you able to console yourself with the same words you would offer to a friend? How can you change your future responses? Okay, so these are some questions you need to answer yourself. Just give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to answer this, because you have to be peace with your mind at the moment. So try to be alone with this while answering these questions. It will be much better. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys for listening. See you tomorrow. Bye.